Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to animate your design elements in your Google Slides. So if I want to add animation, I can click on Insert. Well, first I have to highlight one of the objects, click on Insert, and then select Animation. A little window will open up on the right. Right now, this object has no animation, or at least I can tell it not to have some. Or I can choose from some different animation styles. Let's say cube. That is, I believe, for the slide. But any element on the slide can also have animation on it. So let's say I add animation to this, appear on click. Let's fly in from the right on click, and then my chart over here, my diagram. I want to make sure I select the whole diagram. Add animation to that. Appear on click. No. Let's zoom out. And then you can test to see what these look like by clicking on this little play button. All right, so there's the slide transition. There's my Low-Key PD. And my diagram just disappeared. So that's how you can add animations to Google Slides.